my channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I post a new and interesting video in this channel. My name is Francis and I'm damn passionate about the natural hair. So today I'm going to show you how to use moringa juice to enhance hair growth. We've heard so much about apply this product, buy this oil, buy this. All those things are helpful, but what you take inside your body is also important, and it helps stimulate hair growth. And that is where moringa comes in. You know, moringa is a miracle plant. People call it a miracle plant because it's packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals that nourishes the body, that helps hair growth and all of that. So today I'm going to show you how to make moringa juice right in the comfort of your home, and it's going to stimulate hair growth. So if you are having issues with hair growth, this moringa juice is for you. So before I show you how to make the moringa juice, if you don't mind, please kindly support me by subscribing to my channel and also liking this video, and help me share this video with your friends and your family and other people that are having issues with hair care. And if you have any questions, what are you waiting for? Just drop them in my comment section below. And I've made a video on moringa, applying moringa to the hair, so you could actually check my previous video. I'm going to leave the link up here so that you go check that video out. It's actually very helpful as well. Like I mentioned to you earlier, this is the moringa powder, and I'm going to make, I don't know, can you see this? This is a moringa powder, and I'm going to show you how to make a moringa juice that will help improve your hair growth. So before we go into it, let me just tell you the benefits of drinking moringa water. The moringa leaves is a powerhouse, and it contains a lot of nutritional value. We all know that natural hair growth requires optimal delivery of nutrients to the hair. As you can see, moringa contains a lot of vitamin A, which is important to prevent hair loss, dry hair, and dandruff. By drinking moringa juice, it will benefit your hair growth. If you're having hair loss, you're going to replenish the hair loss. It treats skin disorder, and it also improves your scalp health. It contains a lot of vitamin. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin B2, vitamin B1, B3, B6, B7, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and all these you need them for your hair growth. In addition to all these vitamins, it also contains minerals like calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Okay, so let me just tell you further why you need to take moringa juice for your hair. You will need vitamin B and B6, especially for biotin and folic acid if you are dealing with hair loss. Vitamin E will help stimulate your scalp by increasing blood circulation. If you increase your blood circulation, that means your body will have more nutrients to the hair follicle so that your hair can grow stronger and healthier. Last but not the least, you need vitamin to improve your scalp circulation. You can find all these nutrients in moringa. It sounds crazy, right? I know. However, moringa plants benefit the hair growth and improve your general health and energy level. Let me show you how you need to prepare this moringa juice. So I have here my glass cup, I have here my moringa powder, and I have here a clean bottle of water. So all you need to do is just to put, depending on the quantity you want to make. So I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoonful of this. It's kind of like powdery, so I'm going to mix it. Oh my god, I spilled that, with water. This is the dry moringa leaf, so just keep stirring it as you mix it. Just keep stirring it because it just keeps floating. Okay, so it's mixing, so just keep adding the water little by little. Okay, Yeah, okay. So I'm going to allow it for some time before I drain the water out of it. So just keep stirring it. Moringa is very helpful. So if you are suffering from hair loss, this is one of the juice you need to take to regain your hair growth. So let me just tell you further the benefits of Moringa while we wait for this to turn in. The iron in Moringa brings oxygen to the root. Iron deficiency has been linked to hair loss for years. So now making iron a logical treatment for healthy hair growth amongst women. This is because iron can carry oxygen in the blood and away to your scalp. 3 in Moringa nourishes the hair. Most people think of salmon when they hear omega-3 fatty acid, but Moringa is a great plant-based source for fatty acid. Omega-3 help thicken hair strands by pumping them up with healthy fat. Then I'm just gonna show you how you will get the Moringa juice out of this. So just keep watching. So I'm going to wait for this, but you can keep stirring it to ensure that the whole thing mixes very well. So after this, I'm going to show you how to drain it. So I'm just going to keep it for like 30 minutes and I'm going to drain the water out of it. This is the Moringa juice. So I've already started draining it, so you're just going to sieve it gently and keep turning it stay with your tea. So this is to separate the water and the powder from the juice. This process takes maybe like 20 minutes to completely drain it out. Okay. Yeah. I can't wait to drink this. So I have my glass cup because I can't wait to turn it in and start enjoying the goodness of Moringa. Store this in my fridge. Then in my next video, I'm going to show you another way you can use Moringa for your hair growth. So I'm just gonna keep this right here. Oh, my table is quite messy and I'm just gonna turn it. Yeah, wow, green goodness. This is the Moringa juice and I'm gonna drink it right away. So rest of your glass or go get your Moringa and enjoy. Wow, this is pure goodness. But I have to tell you, it has this peppery kind of taste, like not pepperish but something minty. It's minty sweet. Yeah, that is how it tastes. It's minty sweet, but this leaf is very helpful. Here in Nigeria, we actually use the Moringa leaf to prepare soup, and I just started making the Moringa juice. Find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and also share this video with the rest of the natural sisters. And I'm gonna see you real quick in my next video. Catch ya. Let me go enjoy my drink.